It's good. So let's begin. Hey, what's up guys? Hope you're doing good and keeping yourself safe. Today, after almost 2.5 months, I would be doing my ride, and we are going to an exciting place called Kasara Marshes Ghat, that is on the north of Pune. So I would be starting my ride and hope for the best. So let's begin. I started my ride at 6:30 a.m. from Pune. First I met the fellow rider and we started towards Nashik Fata, followed by Chakan, Rajguru Nagar, Mansar and Narayangaon.
I'm lost in a city, still so far from home. I've searched for you.
We stopped for a quick breakfast at Sahyadri Dhaba before Mansar. The weather was clear and fresh air due to heavy rains last night. Here, as you can see at the back, we are waiting at Sahyadri Dhaba, and we would be having our breakfast here. So here we are in Narayangaon and need to take the left turn towards Marshes.
Will you come with me and guide me through the dark? Stand by, watch me fall apart. I've always loved you more than you know, Father. Don't you let me go. I need your light, like city nights and satellites. When I'm old and losing sight, carry me home all through the night. I need your love, I need your light, like city nights and satellites. When I'm old and losing sight, carry me home all through the night.
After around 35 kilometers, you will see a beautiful sight of Pimpalgaon Zog Dam, which will surely tempt you to stop and click some shots. The road of the dam wall gives the pleasure of riding due to no or rare traffic from the opposite and abundance of beauty. So right now we are standing at Pimpalgaon Zog Dam. It's just nearby location, not exactly the dam, but you can probably see the dam wall here. This one, and we have just came to off-road at some location here nearby. I have with me Chinmay and Abhishek. Just a random photo shoot. look at the view. It's drizzling a bit and the weather is pretty nice. It's cold and beautiful. While off-roading at this random location, we found a kind of ancient structure which looks like a cave. It's pretty beautiful. We left that spot after spending an hour there and continued our ride towards Mashes Ghat, which was approximately 25 odd kilometers from there. We were stopped by the police due to restrictions, but fortunately we were not fined and they let us go.
Lost in a city, still so far from home. I've searched for you all my life. Cast out like a shadow.
We reached Mashes Ghat and it was looking wonderful, but needed to be cautious as the work of road construction and installing safety net was going on. To my bad fortune, the GoPro battery ran out at this point, so I could not capture much footage. But fortunately, I had another battery, so I changed it after crossing Mashes Ghat.
Will you come with me and guide me through the dark? Stand by, watch me fall apart. I've always loved you more than you.
After a few kilometers, we stopped for a tea at Gauri Hotel. The tea was free. Yes, you heard it right. It was free of cost. So this is the road which comes from Mashes Ghat. We just came from Mashes Ghat and moving towards Kasara. But we just thought of having some tea. So right now we are at Gauri Hotel. So we'll have some tea and move towards Kasara Ghat. The road is approximately 50 to 60 kilometers or it will take 1 or 1.5 hours. So stay tuned. In the middle of the road, we suddenly spotted a beautiful small reptile and we stopped to shoot him. Not literally, in camera.
Carry me home all through the night. I need your love, I need your light. Like city nights and satellites. When I'm old and losing sight, carry me home all through the night.
The road to Kasara is smooth, unmanned and lush green. It feels like apart from us riding, there is no one alive in this world. We finally reached Kasara Ghat and it started raining heavily. And this is where my friend's bike started to break down, but luckily it did not create a huge mess. Due to rains, I removed my Alpinestars gloves and wore the basic Pro Bikers.
I'm lost in a city, still so far.
After some time, the weather got cleared and the beautiful sunshine spreaded across the vista.
Cast out like a shadow, racing towards the light. I pray.
We left Kasara Ghat and started our return journey. We touched the highway and had some food there. So we passed from Kasara Ghat. We have come further. After Kasara Ghat, we took right turn towards Nashik. Right now we are sitting here having some food in Sai Babachi Savli restaurant, and I have ordered vada pav. Vada pav. It's good.
Suddenly, heavy rain started. You could hear the scary noise of it. After some time, we headed towards Thane and took left turn from Shahapur towards Murbad. Unexpectedly, the road to Murbad was a good cement road, except a few bad patches. But not bad for Himalayan, as that's what it's made for. It was fun.
I need your light, like city nights and satellites. When I'm old and losing sight, carry me home all through the night.
To cross Murbad and come further, it took us till late evening because of friend's bike broke a few times more, but we reached home safely at night. From Pune, you need to take the Nashik road and go through Chakan, Rajguru Nagar, Mansar towards Narayangaon, which is around 83 kilometers. Take a left turn through Narayangaon market to go towards Marshes, which is around 60 kilometers, 60. On the way, you will find Pimpalgaon Jog Dam here. After crossing Marshes Ghat, head towards Shahapur, which is almost 65 kilometers, and then towards Kasara through highway, which is around 30 kilometers from Shahapur. However, this is not the actual route that we took. Some local people told us some shortcut to Kasara, which is somewhere in this area, but I'm not really able to find it on the map. If you find that route anywhere on the map, please let me know in comments. For the return journey, we first reached Shahapur. From there, we headed towards Murbad, which is approx 27 kilometers. From Murbad, head towards Karjat, which is 50 kilometers from there. You will then connect to Old Mumbai-Pune highway. And then, we all know the road from there. Head towards Lonavala and then towards Pune through Old Mumbai-Pune highway. The total ride was approx 450 kilometers round trip.